So what's up guys, I decided to do a full tour of my dorm. And right now, this is what it looks like when you first walk in the front door. This is our living room. My roommate has her piano right there. It came with 2 couches, this table. That table actually came out of her room. We have our little kitchen area and this TV stand. Here's where we keep our TV. There's the printer, we keep some drinks under there. And then we have the mini fridge, microwave, and pantry space. In here, she took this little table out of, I think it's her nightstand. She took it out of her room. And we just keep the dish rack on top with some drinks under, or whatever snacks we want to put under there. So, yeah, this is just the pantry. I don't know if you guys want to see in there. So yeah, that's just the pantry. So I decided to do a full tour of my complete dorm. It's a 2-person suite, so only 2 of us live here. This is our shared bathroom. You see it has 2 sinks, 2 medicine cabinets, and then a separate door that walks into the shower area, which is where the shower and the restroom is, and it also comes with another set of cabinets. We also have cabinets down here where we keep things like napkins and toilet paper and soap. And we also keep things for our laundry detergent and cleaning stuff down there. Okay. And inside my medicine cabinet, I have some waxing, some hair stuff, and some vitamins. And then when you leave the bathroom, you see my roommate's room, and then my room. So welcome to my room, guys. So when you walk in, let me give y'all a panoramic view. So when you first walk in, you see this huge bar chair. I hang my jackets up all the time, and I keep my bag here because I don't have a backpack. All I have is a purse. And then the next thing you see is my desk. So let's start at the top. So on the very top, I have some paintings that I painted. I keep my glasses up there that I never wear, and I should. And my backpack, purse. It's a small cute backpack. I keep my file folder, my sketchbook, that's my tripod, and my tiny first aid kit, and a random can. But I think I keep coins in, I'm not really sure. On this next shelf, I have my Instax camera. I have these little books that I got for prom. And then I have some jewelry. This is the little bag that I keep some of my earrings in. I have some necklaces in there, an old camera. I have my diploma hanging. And then over here, this is the little box that I keep all my belly rings in. A random terrible picture of myself in front of my very pretty fake plant. That's a hard drive. And I have my book, one of my favorite books, you guys. Is a really good book, you should think about reading it. Some bookmarks on top of some Scantrons that you will need if you're planning on going to college. They make you buy your own Scantrons. So this is a pretty realistic tour of my room. So one of my bras actually broke while it tore while I was washing it. So instead of buying a new bra, I'm just gonna sew it back together, which is why I have it sitting on my desk, because I was sewing it back together because I'm a broke college student, guys. And then here I have a terrible stack of papers that I need to put away. Just papers that I haven't put away yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a full tour of my desk. So here we have my laptop, which has been struggling lately. I need a new laptop. Here is my pencil pen holder. It holds a little bit more than pencils and pens. I really like it because I could put literally all of my little writing utensils here. It's from sticky notes, color pencils, pens, some glue if I needed. Then behind that I have my makeup bag, and behind that I have my pencil bag, which I don't really use anymore. And then my stack of papers. And then on this side, I have this ceramic cup that I actually made back in high school. Here I have my lamp, my Pixar lamp. And this lamp actually came with like little compartments, and I put some of these little beads that I have for my hair. That's a lotion, I'm not really sure. And this is an eyeshadow palette. I have my foundation box right there. Some deodorant that I was using. Some Minute Maid that I was drinking. My keys. And I actually just bought this plant. Look how cute it is. I just bought this guy. And this is my real plant. And then I also just bought this cactus. So I was so disappointed to realize that this flower is not real. It did not grow from this cactus. But that's okay, it's still a cute cactus. They're new to the family. I hope I could keep them alive, honestly. And then right here I have some sticky notes, and then behind my laptop is my medals. I have an art medal and 2 track medals. And then in my office chair, I have my pretty pink fluffy pillow and some clothes that I haven't put away yet, which I should. And then at the bottom, I just have the sleeve for my computer and extension cord that I have everything plugged into. And then right beside my desk, I have my calendar. It's pretty bland. I didn't have much things to do. Ignore that, guys. I'm sorry. But on Fridays, I'll have classes. But January calendar looks very plain because I just got back from, we had a break. And so it's not really anything to put on there. And then my desk used to be over here, so that Sephora bag used to be hanging like under in this area of my desk, but since I kind of moved my desk this way, and I didn't move the bag. And then my window with my curtains. And then right in front of my window is my bed. And under my bed is my dresser. It was actually both these guys stacked on top of each other, but I broke them down and I put them under my bed for more space in the room. I think I have like 4 different pillows, just random pillows. And then my throw blanket, which I actually don't sleep under my cover. I sleep on top of it, and I sleep under this blanket. And I forgot where I got this blanket from, but it's really big. It's really big. I should have folded it, but you know I didn't, so whatever. And then right here I have some random pajama pants in my suitcase that I brought most of my clothes in. I keep it right here. And so, sorry if you heard that loud noise, it was my chair hitting the side of my desk, which could be really loud. So yeah, that's my bed. That's how I make it. Usually I have pink sheets, but I took my pink sheets off. You're gonna see where they're at in a second. And then, so this wall is very plain. The only thing I have over here is my little nightstand, which I don't keep next to my bed because I thought it would be pretty random. Oh, and my pretty fluffy white rug, which I shouldn't be stepping on because I just washed it. But over here, I have my little nightstand where I just keep pretty much stuff that I use every day on top. I made this flower and I decided to put it here because it's not finished yet. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not done yet. And I just set it right there. But here I have my coconut oil, some lotion, some perfume, some oil for my hair. This is my speaker. This is the remote for my LED lights, which I have going all around my mirror. You can see I have it going all around my mirror. And this is an art kit that my best friend got me for my best friend / roommate got me for Christmas. And then below, this is where I actually keep all of my feminine hygiene products, which is really out in the open, but I don't care because I need easy access. It's an old jar that I've been meaning to clean. It's an old jar of coconut oil that I've been meaning to clean out. But yeah, this is where I keep my hygiene products. And so yeah, that's that. And then this mirror, it's a double mirror, is actually my closet as well. And I know I spelled bloom wrong, guys. Please don't come for me for spelling that wrong. But yeah, let's open it. So this is my closet, which is, again, the mirrors. I just slide them open, and then I have my closet. And they're full mirrors, by the way, guys, which I freaking love. So in my closet, I have really jeans and dresses and jackets hanging up. Most of my clothes, I keep them in the drawers. But yeah. And then on the very top shelf, I have my pink sheets. They're clean. I just have them jumbled up like that because I haven't get it. Honestly, I never fold the sheets. I just clean them and put them up there. And that's the extra pack of sheets. Those are the containers that I brought my clothes inside of. So when I pack up and get ready to leave, this is what I'm gonna pack all my things inside of. And then down below, I have my dirty clothes bag, my trash can. I keep it in my closet because I mean, really, I just throw paper and stuff in there. And some duffel bags, so whenever I decide to leave for the weekend or whatever to go visit family, this is what I take. Random hat. And then actually behind all these jackets and stuff, sorry guys, there's no light in here, so, but I have this rack which I keep my shoes and stuff on. And this rack came with the dorm, came with the closet, so I did not buy this. It's built in, which I thought was great. And down there you see I have some toilet tissue. I keep my shoes on this rack. Up here I have my prom dress. Guys, don't bring your prom dress to college. You won't need it. And then here I have a basket where I keep random miscellaneous things. So yeah, right next to my closet, I have this really cute hook, which I hook my towel, my shower cap, and my umbrella on. At first I would hook jackets on here, but I would put way too many jackets and then it would just fall off, but it's really cute. And before I end the video, I think I'll just go ahead and show you guys what I have in my drawers. So this drawer here at the bottom is a drawer, my shirt drawer. So I just keep all my shirts in here. And then this drawer is actually my underwear drawer. Underwear, socks, bras. And this top drawer is all my bottoms that are not jeans. Tights, skirts, you name it, it's in here if it's not jeans. That is my jumpsuit, or romper, whatever. And then this bottom drawer is literally full of miscellaneous stuff, like anything I have extra of, extra soap, extra razors, books, old tablet, medicine, whatever.